Hi, this is Alix Paultre, and I'm here at the Embedded World Show in Nuremberg with Mike Barr. We're here, and well, obviously the issue with embedded is it's a lot of pieces going on out there. It's a lot of moving parts, right?
Absolutely.
Well, and I'm glad you're taking the time to talk to us here because your Barr Group is really focusing on security and safety. And that's, I mean, we're at a point now where it's a buzzword in the industry. People acknowledge that they need safety and security, but how do we get it? What does it really mean? Is the password on my Wi-Fi enough, you know?
Well, some of them acknowledge it. We just recently completed a survey of professional designers of embedded systems, and actually 1 in 5 don't acknowledge it. 1 in 5 of the designers of internet-connected products are not even having security on the list of things to do, which is pretty scary.
I would at least put it on my to-do list, even if like my boss walks by to see it, you know?
Seems like a good idea, and that's obviously just the first step. And we found in our survey that those who have security on the to-do list aren't doing it right. Half of them aren't encrypting the data and commands that they're using to connect to the internet. A third of them don't have a coding standard. Half don't use static analysis or code reviews, which are all ways you can find vectors for attacks, like buffer overflows can be picked up in those. Yeah. Any of those 3 methods could pick it up. So the result is that lots of insecurities of the Internet of Things, and so we're really referring to this as the Internet of Insecure Things.
So now, how is the Barr Group addressing it? Is it a product, or you're educating the audience? Is it seminars or training or a package of security protocols? How are you addressing it?
Well, at Barr Group, we do consulting and training. So we help companies make their products more secure, either when they're designing them in the first place, which is easier and more cost-effective, or when they're already got a product out there and it's got a security problem, they need to upgrade to security. We help them with that as well. We also have something called the Embedded Security Bootcamp, where in just 4 days, their engineers can learn how to secure the hardware and software in their systems better.
Very cool. Well, and that's the key, right? I mean, the engineer has got so many things to do. There are so many moving parts on his plate, or her plate. It's got to be accessible, it's got to be understandable, and it has to be implementable.
Absolutely, and that's what we're hoping to do. So.
Very cool. Now, how do people get in touch with you? Where do they? What's your URL?
We're at bargroup.com.
Excellent. So, hey, thank you so much for talking to us in this really busy show, but security is very key, and I'm glad you had a chance to talk to me.
Thanks, it was great.